All right, so just so that we are clear and we're on the same page, because I like before I do anything, especially online, for us to be on the same page. All right, so again, this is your boy Al, your website traffic, well, not your boy, but this is Al, your website traffic supplier. And before we get started, I want to be very clear, because I don't want to mislead you or have you think this is more than what it is. All right. So again, if you would like to get more friend requests on Facebook, all you would have to do, I mean, this is just basic common sense. All you would have to do, you would just come to your Facebook page, your profile page, and you would just click right over here where it says friend request, and you can just go. You will obviously have a whole list of people, because Facebook is all about engagement, and they will have people, or at least have some options for you to go ahead and have yourself or get yourself friend requests. You can do it that way. Obviously, I mean, that's the most common way, just to be very clear. But the method, or the way that I'm actually going to share with you guys, is actually a method that works for marketers. So if you're into marketing, if that's what you're doing, then the method I'm going to share with you in the next video, I'll explain a little bit more what that's about. So just stay tuned. Video number 2, I'll do the explaining. But again, if you want to get friend requests on Facebook, the easiest and the most safest and simplest way is to just come over here to where it says friend request. And obviously you'll have a ton of people over here. If not, click on this button where it says find friends. You're going to click on that. And if my computer is actually going to move, it's so funny that once you're doing a video, it always move ever so slow. But again, okay, there we go. So you just want to click on where it says find friends, and you just go scroll through, and then you will see people down here where it says add friends that actually related to what you're trying to do. And you just click on add friend, but don't go too crazy doing this, all right? Because you don't want to end up in Facebook jail. You want to do anywheres. I mean, I don't think there's any amount of friend requests that you can send out of there, or am I wrong? I'm not exactly sure. So, but again, that's how you would go ahead and get yourself or add people to your list. All right. So again, this is Al, your website traffic supplier, and in video number 2, I'll actually explain the method how I used to get me targeted friends in my niche, which is in the internet marketing niche. All right. So again, then we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.